Most people walk into a psychological evaluation not really knowing what's about to happen. And that uncertainty alone can sometimes make people uncomfortable with the process. Let's break it down a little bit. I'm Dr. William July. I'm a psychologist translating psychology into straight talk. So let's clear it up. Let's talk about this. When you're going in for a psychological evaluation, the first thing I want to tell you is make sure to have a discussion with the psychologist before the psychological evaluation about what you can expect, what it's going to cost, and what's involved. Okay, now here are 10 questions people consistently have about psychological evaluations and some straight answers. Number 1, can you pass or fail a psych eval? You don't really pass or fail, although a lot of information is going to be gathered about you. There is an opinion that's going to be developed based on evidence. So you don't really pass or fail it, but there will be an opinion, and depending on what that's being used for, then there may be certain outcomes. Number 2, are there trick questions? Not in the way you're thinking. There's no trick questions. It's not a trap. It's not a setup. But some of the questions may feel kind of odd and unusual, and you may feel like they're tricky. But this is if I could say, for example, in a personality profile. Number 3, should you try to give the right answers? No, don't try to do that. Just be yourself. Trying to manage how you come across usually makes the results less accurate. It can do that. So be careful about that. Just be yourself. Just come across normally. Number 4, what do psychological evaluations actually measure? Now, this is a broad answer because it depends on the purpose. It depends on the type of testing battery you're doing. But generally, it could be like attention, memory, problem solving, personality patterns, emotional functioning. So that depends completely on the type of evaluation that you went in for. Let's go to number 5. How long does it take? Well, some of them are a couple of hours, and others could be 4 hours, 5 hours. Sometimes they could be split into multiple sessions. So it depends, again, on the battery and the type. So talk to the psychologist about that before you all start so you know what you're in for. Number 6, what if you get tired or frustrated? If you get tired or frustrated, that's probably a natural reaction to some of it. But just keep on trying to go through the process. Make that known, discuss that, and get that out and see how you all will move forward during the process. Number 7, can you prepare for a psych eval? You can prepare like physically, but not strategically. Just make sure you get sleep, eat, show up early. I would suggest that, so that reduces the worries that you have. Number 8, do the results absolutely define you? No, it's an evidence-based best snapshot of you at that point in time. It could be discussed. It should be discussed, and maybe sometimes there are some modifications that need to be made based on the feedback. Number 9, at the end, you get a report. Now, I want to say there's a caveat to that. You may not get a report if, like, say, for example, it's a court case and the judge has mandated that you don't see it. That could be a situation. There are other situations like that too. Again, make sure you discuss this up front so you know what you're getting into. And number 10, what is the biggest mistake? The biggest mistake people make. They try to put on a performance. You're not going in there to try to win an Oscar. Just be yourself. Be natural. Just do what you normally would do. Answer in the normal answers that you have. Show up. Be honest, and let the process do what it's designed to do. Now, if you want a simple, no-nonsense breakdown, I have a free quick guide download that you can look at, and it'll kind of